This socialistic project is developed to replace manual scavenging by cleaning the blockages produced by debris, plastics, and roots of plants and trees in the sewage. Despite the Act passed in 2013, which bans manual scavenging, we still have this cruel practice in India. Around 1,600 people have died since 2014 just because of this unhumanized practice. So, as an alternate for human, we are using a robo module. This robo module has 3 jitters at the rear end, used for movement of the module underwater, and a cutter in the front which helps in cutting the wastes and removes blockages. Hose facilitates flow of water. Buoyancy is the tendency of an object to sink, rise or float at a certain depth. While it is underwater, the device or object is negatively buoyant, which means it tends to sink if it is not moving. But as the device's propellers push it forward, the water rushes over the body, creating an upward force called lift, which helps it remain at a certain depth, creating a state of neutral buoyancy. This device slips swiftly and silently through the calmer water breath. The pressure underwater is 60 times greater than it is at the surface. So, we are using a high pressure water to propel you to underwater. We are using turbine wheels in order to provide 90-degree tilt inside the sewage and to control the direction of the module through a phone connected with the module through the Wi-Fi. The turbines here push the water backwards and help in movement of the robot. Now we take a tub filled with grasses, waste papers, etc., which we assume to be sewage. Let us send the module inside the water to see how the module cleans the blockages that we have provided. We can see that the module moves inside the water with the help of the pressurized water from the rear jetter, and the cutter starts rotating and cuts the blockages. The pressure of water pumped by the motor is 160 psi after all the losses through the tube. With the help of this pressure, the cutter rotates at a rate of 300 rpm. We can now see the distance travelled by water due to the pressure that we have provided through the motor. On observing the tub, we can see that the blockages are cut, making the water flow free inside the tub. The ultimate aim of this project is to remove manual scavenging totally.